Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Geo device and confirming which hardware you have. This matters because Wi-Fi and Ethernet steps differ. Once powered, check the SSID and password printed on the unit so you don't interrupt the flow later. You should also plug in Ethernet if you prefer wired reliability. Otherwise, enable the hotspot's Wi-Fi. Make sure the device shows ready or connected LEDs. This indicates the modem has registered with the Geo network and is ready for your computer to join. You now move to the computer. For Wi-Fi, open your network list, pick the Geo SSID and type the password exactly, then hit connect. If using Ethernet, plug the cable into the router LAN port and your PC. Check the network adapter is enabled and shows link lights. Once connected, the OS typically gets an IP via DHCP. If your setup needs a static IP, enter the IP4 address, gateway, and DNS provided by your ISP. This step establishes the local link and routing to the internet. You finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser and load a reliable site or run ping 8. 8. 8. 8 to confirm packets go through. If you don't have internet, power cycle the Geo device and your PC, then retest. Try another device to isolate whether the issue is the router or the computer. Make sure your network drivers are current and that no firewall is blocking access. If nothing works, perform a factory reset as a last resort, but note that you will need to reconfigure the SSID and password afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.